Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer from Zelle to PayPal or Cash App. So the first step that you have to do is to understand Zelle limitations. So Zelle cannot directly transfer to PayPal or Cash App, so you will need to transfer Zelle funds to your bank account first. So next is to receive money via Zelle. So accept the Zelle payment in your banking app. So the money arrives instantly in your linked bank account. And then after that is to launch the PayPal or Cash App on your device and ensure that your bank account is linked to the application. Next is in the PayPal or in the Cash App, you have to select Add Money or Transfer, and then you just have to choose your linked bank account, which is the same one used for Zelle. And just enter the amount in there. And lastly is to confirm the transfer, so the money will move in your bank where Zelle deposited it. So to PayPal or to Cash App in 1 to 3 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!